Hi everyone, this is Omeng Tawid from smartpitayinvestor.com, and today we will just continue with our ongoing tutorial. So today we'll have a selling transaction. So I'll now proceed quickly to logging in and click login. So we're using now the 2TradeAsia online stockbroker, and this is the home screen of your online trading account. So again, the most common menu that you would want to go to is this trading menu, and then view portfolio. All right, and then as you can see here, we still have our MBT, which is our sample stock. So the same information is still given here. We have here the stock code, the last price or the market price. So this is the prevailing current price. Ito na yung pinaka-presyo ni Meralco right now as we are talking. And then this is still my average cost, the shares, number of shares or the volume, the market value, and my total acquisition cost, the profit loss, and the percent profit or percent loss. And if you remember, yesterday, our profit loss is actually 900 plus. And percent profit loss is 9.3%. But as you can observe now, it has gone down to 8.61. So ito yung ine-explain ko na paper loss. So yung paper loss mo is dependent on the current market price or the last price of all the stock that you have in your portfolio. In this case, I only have MBT in my portfolio. And since bumaba yung price nitong MBT, if we now, for example, go to quote, stock info, MBT, so the stock quote shows you yung existing buyers and existing sellers. So in this case, the market price is 76.95. And yesterday, yung closing nga, preview 77.45. But today, it's now 76.95. So bumaba siya ng, so this difference, negative 0.5, expressed as percentage, that is negative 0.65%. So, in short, bumaba ang price ni Metrobank today. And so, yung ating paper gain kahapon na 9.3% is bumaba din siya accordingly. So, it went down to 8.61%. So, fortunately, it is still positive. But imagine if you have a large capital or a bigger capital, kahit na maliit yung fluctuation ni Metrobank, even if it's just less than 1%, if you have 1 million, malaki na siya. But in this case, since we only have 10,000 capital, from 900 plus, naging 846. So, almost 100 pesos din yung binaba ng ating potential gain. So, for today, I would sell this Metrobank. Kung ano man yung reasons ko to sell is, I would discuss it probably in our next future video tutorials. But just so you would see how to put a sell order, kung may experience na kayo ng buy order, then it's just the same, no? From my portfolio, I can sell it right away by clicking sell. Okay, and this is now the quotation of Metrobank. And the current price is 76.95. So I would still select sell. The stock code is MBT, so the same information. I have 140 shares, so I can sell a maximum of 140. The lot size is 10, as can be seen here, minimum 10. And then, since may 76.95 na seller, kapag gumamit ako ng 76.95, pipila lang ako dito. So, madadagdagan lang ako dito. But if I would want my transaction na mag-match kagad, titingin na kagad ako sa buyer or sa bid price. So, if I would put 76.9 here, and then sell Metrobank. So just make sure you have our correct information. Minsan kasi pag kakamadali, instead na mag-sell ka, nagbabay ka. So it happened to me before. I wanted to sell a stock but nagmamadali ka because ayaw mong mapag-iwanan. Hindi ko na nabago yung transaction. So instead na kapag-sell ako, lalong nadagdagan pa yung stock ko kasi nag-match siya sa buy. So just make sure, no, be careful of all the details you put in here in the order screen. And with that, so I can click preview order. So there's an existing buyer of 76.9. So that's what I put here para mag-match siya kaagad. Click preview order. Then the same information, just put your password and send order. Order queued for processing. Okay? If you now click view order, wala na siya sa open order because again, we put a price that is available in the bidder's price. So, automatically mapupunta na yun sa matched. Ayan. So, 140, 140 at 76.9. So, medyo bumaba pa actually yung gain natin kasi yung 800 plus na nakita nyo kanina is 76.95. But I am willing to sell at a lower price of 76.9 para mauna lang ako. Para automatically and sure na magmamatch yung order ko. Okay? So, since binenta na natin siya, mawawala na siya sa ating portfolio. Ayan. Portfolio. Ayan. But then, nadagdagan yung ating capital, which is yung ating buying power. Okay? So, in a span of more than 2 weeks, from initial capital na 10,000 pesos, which is yung initial capital you need to open an account with 2TradeAsia, we bought 140 shares of Metrobank. Okay? And we sold it today after more than 2 weeks. 140 shares, so the entirety of it. And now our capital is 10,839 pesos and 51 cents. So in short, in a span of more than 2 weeks, nag-gain na tayo actually ng 839.51 from our initial capital of 10,000 pesos. Okay? So, yun lang actually yung life cycle ng buying and trading stocks. You buy your stock. Of course, you have to study lessons on how to choose stocks para mas malaking probability mo or yung chance mo na tumaas yung stock price and yung value ng investment mo. And then, you just wait, no? You just observe yung fluctuation ng market price ng stock na binili mo because it will dictate kung magkano yung magiging value. Pati na rin yung potential paper gain and paper loss ng magiging stock mo. And then, kung gusto mo na, you can sell it actually anytime. Fortunately, we sold it at a decent profit of 8% in more than 2 weeks. Okay, and then babalik lang naman yun sa capital mo. So, I now have 10,839. I can use this actually to buy a new stock that I want. But I will do that in our next video. Ayun. So, I hope guys this has helped you in understanding how to earn in investing in the Philippine stock market. Just remember na you can actually sell anytime. So, kahit na lugi ka or kahit na maliit yung profit mo, you can sell it. So, yun yung kagandahan sa stock market. It is a very liquid asset. Unlike, halimbawa, bibili ka ng bahay, bibili ka ng lupa, mahirap ibenta. But in stock market, there's always buyers. Though not necessarily at the price you want, but you can adjust. Kasi makikita mo naman yung mga buyers, saan sila willing bumili. So, ima-match mo na lang yun and your money will be available back to you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. And if you need more information, you can email me at omeng@smartpinoyinvestor.com. And I also have other videos for beginners, www.smartpinoyinvestor.com/YouTube. And if you want to learn more about technical analysis and market timing and how to pick stocks, then I have full trading course material for you. Just go to www.smartpinoyinvestor.com/trading course. So you will be given a 1-year access to videos and you can access it online. So kahit na OFW ka or even if you are outside Metro Manila, so you have 1-year access to those materials and you can watch it repeatedly. So kahit ilang beses within the span of 1 year. And I hope guys na you really make your time to study about stock market dahil malaki actually yung potential. And imagine you can do this even if you are a senior citizen, 'di ba? Through time kasi magi-improve kayo if you give time to it. Hindi ka mawawalan actually ng opportunity as long as you are trained enough to do and to earn from investing or trading in Philippine stock market. Okay, so thank you for watching and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless you and bye-bye!